Welcome to Quiz Reel. Would you rather? Junk Food Edition. Before starting, please subscribe to Quiz Reel channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started. Would you rather? Burger or fried chicken? Would you rather? Donuts or muffins? Would you rather? Doritos Dinamita or Lay's Flamin' Hot? Would you rather? KFC or McDonald's? Would you rather? Strawberry cheesecake or blueberry cheesecake? Would you rather? Salty popcorn or caramel popcorn? Would you rather? Fries or onion rings? Would you rather? Ice cream or smoothie? Would you rather? Ramen or sushi? Would you rather? Sprite or Fanta? Would you rather? Steak or pizza? Would you rather? Milk chocolate or dark chocolate? Would you rather? Gummy bears or jelly beans? Would you rather? Buffalo wings, barbecue wings? Would you rather? Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts? Would you rather? Soda or energy drink? Would you rather? Pie or cake? Would you rather? Fried shrimp or filet fish? Would you rather? Nutella or Biscoff? Would you rather? Cheese sauce or ranch sauce? Would you rather? Fries or wedges? Would you rather? Kit Kat or Milky Way? Would you rather? Corn dog or hot dog? Would you rather? Mac and cheese or fries and cheese? Would you rather? Hot chocolate or milkshake? Would you rather? Pizza Hut or Papa John's? Would you rather? Burrito or taco? Would you rather? Brownie or blondie? Would you rather? Skittles or sour Skittles? Would you rather? Pringles or Cheetos? Would you rather? Sour Patch Kids or Swedish Fish? Would you rather? Skittles or Starburst? Would you rather? Tater tots or mozzarella sticks? Would you rather? Cheetos or Doritos? Would you rather? Burger King or Wendy's? Would you rather? Kit Kat Pink or Kit Kat Gold? Would you rather? Gum or lollipop? Would you rather? Grilled chicken or grilled seafood? Would you rather? Waffle fries or curly fries? Would you rather? Baklava or macaro? Would you rather? Orange juice or lemon juice? Would you rather McDonald's freeze or Burger King freeze? Would you rather molten cake or fruit tart? Would you rather waffle or pancake? Would you rather fruit salad or vegetable salad? Would you rather coffee or tea? Would you rather Starbucks Frappuccino or McFlurry? Would you rather Wendy's Dave's Double or McDonald's Big Mac? Would you rather pepperoni or mushroom? Would you rather Pepsi or Coca-Cola? Thanks for watching. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.